Hi everyone, welcome to the Big Oggie Bakehouse. Big Oggie, little Kelly. We'll tell you more about that on another video. You'll see it in a couple of days' time. So today is the announcement for the winner of the first of our giveaways. We're going to do giveaways quite regularly as the channel grows to help the channel grow, literally. If you hear a noise in the background, it's an oven because I am cooking. I've gone solo on the latest video and it'll be on tomorrow, good or bad. Okay? We have no idea. It's a complete risk, this one, so I'm just going for it myself. Kelly was indisposed, so I don't think she wanted anything to do with it, did you?
I wasn't indisposed, I was in the pig and shower.
You were indisposed. Right, so, nice hair, Kelly. Trying out something new, aren't you? Going for the spandrel
look. I just
look.
left my hair curly instead of straightening it out.
Yeah, going for the, like, Oliver Reed French Musketeer type thing.
I am not putting boots and a hat on.
I've always wanted to be a musketeer with a big fancy feather.
Right,
sorry, we're distracted. Okay, so this is the prize. It's Crumb by Richard Bertinet, fantastic baker and chef based in Bath with an amazing cookery and baking school. Hopefully we're going to go up there after lockdown and we can afford to go.
Yeah, beautiful book. Lots and lots of really interesting things in there, so a really good prize, this one.
Okay, there's a couple of minor alterations which we're going to write in the book for you, which came out after the book was finished.
Yeah.
So if you see any little handwritten bits, that's just because we've added them. It's only a couple of bits. So the competition was to name what would be our kind of weekend show.
Magazine
or a kind of magazine
type.
show. Whether it be the weekend, whether it be some point, but it'll be fairly regular update kind of show, review shows of different people's stuff. And by the way, thank you very much to Cornish Walking Trails. They've done me a little video of them making the shortbread.
Yeah.
So that will be included on the video. Obviously, if you want to send in pictures of all your stuff, good or bad, whether you've attempted stuff belonging that we've done or whether you've attempted your own things, that's part of what the film's going to be about, and that's what the magazine show is going to be about, reviewing your own stuff. So there were 40 comments. Some had like multiple attempts, which is great. And we didn't say we had one or not.
No.
People were just brainstorming ideas. Some were good, some were not so good, some were great. I liked them, but we had an issue, didn't we? We had a Kelly issue. Okay, now Kelly is my wife and she does what she likes and I do as I'm told. So do you. So your opinion was, go on, tell them.
Well, I came up with a good idea of my own.
I know, but you couldn't go in for it.
But I'm not allowed to go in for it.
No, but you want the magazine to be called that.
I thought that the magazine show would be really good if we called it the weekly spread or the fortnightly spread, as in spread, butter or whatever.
And a newspaper spread,
exactly.
A magazine spread, because I worked in newspapers.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
So I thought that was a really good idea.
Fine.
But none of you lot came up with it.
No, but...
So we compromised.
Yeah, we're going to call the magazine show the weekly spread.
Or fortnightly spread.
Or the Big Oggie spread.
Whatever.
One of those, right? Okay. But we are going to have a section in it, which will probably be the review of all your different bits and pieces. And we're going to call it...
This is the winner. The winner is...
The
Bakehouse.
No, Bakehouse Shake-Up.
I thought you said it was the Bake-Up Shake-Up.
I thought it was Bakehouse Shake-Up. Sorry.
Was I right?
You were right.
Yeah, it was the Bake-Up Shake-Up.
Anyway, it's the Bake-Up Shake-Up. And it was by Gary Wardle. Gary came up with a few different ideas. Gary, congratulations. We are going to send this book, Crumb, to you. Read it. Read it before you start, because there's some really interesting stuff in it to help you learn.
Yeah, if you're interested.
Yeah, and if you're not, give it to someone who really is.
Yeah.
Okay?
But it is a brilliant book, I will say that.
And we're going to do some of the recipes from this book in the fullness of time, so obviously you might be able to try it.
We've done some, haven't we?
We've done some, but not on the channel as such from the book, I don't think.
No.
But I did a really good French everyday bread
from
come out in here.
Yeah, you did.
And there's some other ones we want to have a go at.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the actual program itself will be called the weekly spread or the fortnightly spread, but there will be a section in there where we will be sharing your pictures and your videos and those sorts of things, and that compartment or that part of the show will be called the Bake Up Shake Up. Think about it. If you remember back remember the art program? Just Heart, was it
Well,
called?
Take Heart.
Take Heart. And they had the gallery in
And
it.
Vision On and always, yeah. I'm not going to claim the Vision On music, just for you to
No,
put
but
this on.
it will be similar. So there'll be a little bit where we'll be showing all your pictures and
Yeah.
things.
And
that
maybe we
will
might
be
even comment on a
called-
few of them as well.
Yeah, that'll be called the Bake Up Shake Up, courtesy of Gary Wardle. So well done, Gary.
Okay, Gary, write your details. You know how to get in touch with me, probably from Twitter or Instagram. If not, email me at bigoggieGolf@gmail.com or the Big Oggie Bakehouse @gmail.com. We have two.
Yeah.
Okay.
So congratulations. Thank you so much for everybody else that sent in their suggestions. There were some really good ones and it was quite difficult.
Yeah, it
But
was. It was
once
quite difficult. I know, but you had it in your head.
Once I got it in my head, I couldn't
couldn't
shake
change.
it.
Fair enough. It's allowed. So we did this competition at 250. We're now on 320 something or other. So that's quite
brilliant.
good. We're growing fairly quickly. I'd like it to grow quicker because I'm just like that. If you could tell your friends, maybe if you can all just find one other person and get them to join, that'd be good. We'll be up to 700.
We'll see.
Okay. Just help us out, all right? We're doing as many recipes as we can, and once lockdown releases enough, we'll start visiting other people and travelling about a bit as well.
That'd be good.
Okay, that'll be better. So it'll be more interesting
fed
things
up
in the
of
channel.
watching us in the kitchen all the time.
I don't know. They might enjoy watching this one. I'm panicking now. That's why I wasn't really concentrating. I've been trying to check the oven because it's like scary. Okay.
Anyway, thanks so much, everyone. Hope you have a brilliant day, and we'll see you all again soon.
Keep safe, everybody. Keep cooking.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.